a month later and I'm still enjoying some of my last birthday freebies. I had a free side of wok from Chipotle, so I got a burrito bowl with steak and black beans, light cheese, light sour cream, and the fajita veggies, and the, I forget what the salsa is, but I think it's just the mild, and lettuce, of course. And this one's out of breath because she got all excited because she heard a noise outside, right? And now she's just trying to scam on some steak. I spent a lot of time cleaning off our patio after we had this huge dust storm last week, and I put out some of the fall decor pieces, except the skeletons I'll put out in about a month. Look what my mom found at home. It's Zero, and it lights up. Is this not so cool? See, he does have a jack-o'-lantern nose. And what's funny about this is his collar. Let me turn this off. They made his collar pink, which usually it's red. So this totally is meant for me because he even has a pink collar. I don't know if I'm gonna put him down under there with the other pumpkins possibly, or up on the top next to the Halloween Town sign. I'm leaning towards that. I'll see how prominent he looks up there, but he's so cool. All right, little sneak peek as to me starting the Halloween tree. I don't know if the witch hat is staying up there. If it is, I'm probably gonna add a pink bow to it also. I've had these metal pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns for a while, and I love how they glow in this tree, so I think I'm gonna keep those in. I have a bunch of larger ornaments I'm gonna put on. I have black ornaments as well that I'm gonna incorporate in. This is a work in progress with the little buffet area. And I still got a mess on this table, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do in the dining room right now. Still working on everything else too, but I'm trying to figure out which bow placement I like better. I think I'm gonna go with the top one there. We got all the doggies here. Where's Daisy? Daisy is, and Lawrence. Brian's trying out the new grill, so we got a whole spread for Labor Day. Look how pretty this sky is. It looks like cotton candy. It's so pretty. I was going through my old papers and photo album keepsakes, and I found this Disneyland guest map from '99, back when my parents took my brother and I to Disneyland for the first time because we had gone to Disney World prior. But I just thought it was too cool. I used to keep all my little things like this as a kid, and then I got into scrapbooking. But yeah, here's how the map used to look. And I was noticing that I was crossing things off like as we went to them. This is so awesome. I'm decorating for Halloween and fall, and it started raining. The best first day of my fall, at least.
Hi everyone. It's time to do a little bit more crafting. I bought these portrait frames. They're really cute, and I got them for like $12.99 each. And the border I'm going to change with some cute fabric that I got at Hobby Lobby. I love little roosters and chickens, so I thought this would be cute. I'll let you know how it goes. I took the frame, the mat out, excuse me, and I got this Gorilla Glue spray adhesive, and I sprayed it all around the frame so that the fabric can get tacky to it. I stuck down the pieces, and now I'm going to put a little hole in the middle so that I can put lines or cut triangles really to each corner. Okay, so I cut the triangles, and what we're going to do is we're going to pull those up, and we're going to use more some adhesive and tack it down. So all the things are glued, and now on this one I just cut the edge off, and I'm going to do the same for these. And there you have it. Put your favorite picture in the middle. Enjoy.
Good morning. It's Wednesday. Going off to work. My mom's having a surgery today, so I'm really nervous. Just been saying a lot of prayers. It's a procedure that's in and out procedure. It's called a cardiac ablation, because she's had some arrhythmias going on, heart arrhythmia. So yeah, when you see this, hopefully everything's fine, and I know it'll be fine. It's just still stressful, you know? So that's heavy on my heart today. Holly is literally barking at the TV. That's how clear my parents' TV is, apparently, that she thinks they're here. Bailey, isn't she crazy? He's right up in my face. I can't film her. Are you done, Holly? You done, dude? The doctor I work for made a whole roasted chicken and this lemon couscous, I believe, for my family for tonight. And I have a different attire on because I wanted to get comfortable. But the reason I'm here with all the doggies in the kitchen, you see Bailey there too? She's smelling the food. Is because my dad went to go pick up my mom from the hospital. Thank God that everything went great. It helped do what it needed to do, the surgery, and everything went really smoothly. So thank goodness. Of course, she's gonna be a little bit groggy and stuff right now, but yeah, just so thankful. About to go have a coffee date with Joan at Lightheart. And I forgot to film my coffee, but I had the berry cobbler espresso as one of their new fall drinks and had fun catching up with Joan. So I just finished filming the Italy Atomic Trips information video so you guys can have all of the itinerary, where to sign up. The trip's already almost half full at this point though, so definitely don't wait to sign up for the trip, because right now we have 11 months before, actually more than 11 months, I think like 11 months and 2 weeks, something like that, before the trip. So there is plenty of time to do payment plans and all that fun stuff. But I hope I get to spend some time with you in Italy. I cannot believe I'm going to Italy this time next year. So exciting. So we just got back seeing Allison DuBois, who is a medium. If you don't know her, she was actually the one that the show Medium was based off of. What? What? Are you trying to get a chicken? Did you go potties aside? Yeah, you did? Okay. It was definitely cool to see her do readings live like that, and she did quite a bit. She was there for about 2 hours. Unfortunately, we didn't get picked. Of course, we were hoping to have my grandparents come through, but it was still fun to experience that and see everybody else's experience, and we definitely took something away from it still, so still enjoyed our time. So we just went to Chick-fil-A purely for drinks, and this new drink came out that's a cherry berry. We did it with Sprite, but you can also get it with lemonade. So let's try it out. I don't know if I like that one so much. It just, to me, it tastes a little bit cough syrupy. But Mom said she liked it, right? Okay, Mama doesn't want to be on camera right now, okay? Yeah. But she said it tastes like a wine spritzer, kind of. And I agree with her. It kind of tastes like you put Sprite in wine. Now that she said that, it definitely does. So if you like that vibe, you might like it. And maybe it'll be good with lemonade, but I feel like it'd be too tart with the lemonade because it's already kind of tart. Diet Coke for the win.